Hi guys, Fred Moser here, ang Corsay Charmer ng Albay. Ayun, about that, the 4 times ako na-nominate, then 3 beses ako naligtas. Una, masasabi ko talaga is, I'm super thankful sa mga taong sumusuporta sa akin. At parang gusto ko na lang sila lapitan in person na para i-thank sila kasi they really accepted me for who I really am. And I think that they think that I deserve to stay in the house. And yun talaga yung nabigay sa akin ng drive to keep on going. Kasi after every time getting nominated, I'm like really getting sick of it talaga. Like, promise. Kasi may times talaga na mahirap sa bahay. And every time I get saved, parang it just motivates me to do better. And now that I got out, the 4th one, the 5th eviction, doon ko lang talaga na-realize that kahit ano talagang gawin mo and try to improve, like, kung ano talaga pinakita mo nung una is mangingibabaw talaga. But still, the reaction ko talaga sa 4 times getting nominated is like crazy to me. Parang hindi ko talaga siya in-expect. But stuff happens talaga. And whatever happens, happens. Hindi ko talaga in-expect eh. Kasi nung una, I was planning to have a celebration with my family. Tapos nalaman ko na sakto pala sa kick-off sa 25. Then, I was like, I'm really gonna spend my 18th birthday with with people I don't know. And I was like, really, wow, ganun pala. And pero, so far, it was really exciting for me. Kasi, yun din siguro yung birthday ko nakakaiba talaga. Like, kick-off, di ko rin talaga in-expect. Then, siguro nakatulong talaga siya. Kasi it was my birthday, I really had fun. And, doon ko rin nakilala yung ibang housemates. Oh, wow. I guess, it all really started nung after namin makwento yung multo. Like, 3rd day siguro, yun ata yung nagkwento kami ng multo. Then, the 4th day is when she approached me. Then, we started talking about, nagkikwento ako about sa family ko. Then, she just listening to me. And I feel like, sobrang sarap magkwento pag alam mo yung taong like interested in listening to you. Siguro naging close talaga kami dahil, ano talaga, it's because she approached me first. Kasi I feel like I wouldn't have done that. Feel ko lang sa first week, pero eventually I will. Pero I'm really grateful that I met her. She like made my stay sa house even easier. Kasi sobrang dami ko rin nami-miss sa outside world. And lagi niya lang ako ni-reassure. Nung natawag na ako, when I knew that I was evicted, I went to her right away because I saw her face, it really broke down. At I felt really bad because I broke my promise. Kasi I promised to her na it would be the final duo. Pero now na hindi na siya matutuloy, I'm really sad. Kasi sinasabi niya pa sa akin dun sa araw na yun na, "Uy, maglalakad pa tayo sa garden area mamaya." And sabi ko, "Yeah, of course." And since now na I saw her break down, like, I feel so sad na hindi ko siya maka-comfort, hindi ko siya ma-reassure. Pero, ayun naman, her friends are there for her. But, I reassured her that I'm always gonna support her no matter what. Outside, kung nasan man ako, I'll always watch her every single day. And I reassured her na I'll wait for her outside. And, sabi ko sa kanya, I know you're gonna do great here. So, ayun talaga. Parang pinapagaan ko lang yung pakiramdam niya. Sabi ko sa kanya, kaya mo to, last push. I know you miss your family, but I assure you that they miss you too. Pero, you just have to keep fighting. At sobrang nalungkot talaga ako after I saw her jumped on the bed and just started breaking down. I'm just really sad that I can't be there for her. Biggest lesson ko na natutunan ko is how you act on camera is na syempre, kunyari, on how you act on camera, syempre if you do something bad, may consequences yun. Pero ngayon, di ba, sa camera, maraming camera, you're really cautious on what are you doing or what you're saying. At ang natutunan ko dun is kung gaano dapat ako sa camera, that's how I should be outside. Even if there's no punishment waiting for me. Kahit na walang nakakakita, dapat ganun pa rin ako. And yun talaga yung one of the most na tumatak sa akin na sinabi ni Kuya. Na, ayun, just really be genuine talaga. That's the number one thing. Kasi there's no reason to hide anything at all. I mean, if the people don't accept you for who you are, edi that's on them. Pero alam mo naman sarili mo that you're being genuine. And yeah, I think that's the most tumatak sa akin, the lesson. Hi guys, again, Fred here. And siguro masabi ko lang sa inyo is super duper thankful ako sa inyo na sinuportahan nyo ako since day zero. And super amazed din ako na kahit na minsan makulit man ako sa bahay, may ups and downs man, like hardships, obstacles na pinagdaanan, talagang inintindi nyo at talagang you guys believe that I still deserve to stay in the house. Kasi I really wanted to prove something, not to anyone, but to myself, that I can do better. And I feel like I can show more to the people. And you guys believe that I stayed talaga. Like, so, ayun guys, sana napakita ko sa inyo, okay kayo dun. Kasi that's really how I am. I just love being genuine to people talaga. And I really love you guys. And thank you for accepting for who I really am. Thank you.